Well, now we have a really fun craft you can make with the kids at home. Ashley Danielle is with I'mAlwaysAshley.com. She's showing us these cute weather wheels for the kids. Check it out.
Hey y'all, it's Ashley Danielle from I'mAlwaysAshley.com here with another fun project that you and your little ones can do at home to just keep yourselves entertained while we're adjusting to being home a little more than we usually would during the summer. So today we decided to make weather wheels. I don't know if you guys made those at school. I know my kids made them last year, but they didn't make them this year, and it's a great way to just start the day with something kind of fun, but also keep them learning over these summer months. To do this project, all you will need is a paper or styrofoam plate. I was trying to do paper plates, but we already had some of these, so go with what you got. A marker. We also have some paper fasteners. I think this was a little under $2 at Target. We went to Target and got these. But some paper fasteners, doesn't matter. We got the silver ones, you can get the gold ones, it doesn't matter. Some construction paper. And some crayons. Let's get started. Start by taking your plate and dividing it into 4 sections with the marker. That will give them space to create each type of weather that we're going to color today. So we're going to do sunny, cloudy, rainy, and snow. I know in Alabama we don't really get snow, but hey, just in case, we'll be ready. Now just have your little ones get their crayons and start coloring each section. Felicity, what section are you going to color first?
This one.
And what type of weather is that going to be?
Partly cloudy.
Partly cloudy. Okay, partly cloudy. Go ahead. David, what about you?
I would think partly rainy.
Partly rainy? Okay.
Partly snowing.
Partly snowing.
Partly sunny.
Partly sunny. Okay, well you just have at it.
It's colorful.
Boys.
Mommy.
Okay, so after they have decorated their plate, I had already cut out arrows for them to use out of the construction paper. You're going to take one of your paper fasteners, poke it through the arrow, and then poke it through the middle of the paper plate. Flip it on the back and separate it. Let me see if I can get this done with my nails. Yes, haha. Once you have your paper fastener on the back of your plate, make sure it isn't too tight so that the arrow can still spin. Now your little ones can change their arrow depending on what the weather is like. And they have their weather wheel. Okay, so we are done with our weather wheels and we're gonna put them up in the window, and it'll kind of be our little science lesson every day. Probably after breakfast, we'll just go look at them and then we can spin the arrows. Y'all have fun. Bye.
They are so cute, and that's really timely right now. I didn't see a tropical storm on their weather wheel, but it may be in store for us this weekend.
Those things will be spinning.
Yes.